Hi, this is Yogesh Misra, your physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about potential gradient. So what's mean by potential gradient? Potential gradients represents the variation in electrical potential with position in the direction of electric field. Let me write the definition first. So we can write it like it represent it represents the variation in electrical potential electric potential with position in the direction of electric field. Okay, symbolically we can write it like first of all uh, del v by del r, negative del v by del r is equal to potential gradient, or we can write potential gradient is equal to del v by del r. Second one, we can write it potential gradient is equal to negative of dv by dr, or x, or whatever we can, it's a symbol, or we can write r, or we can write x. Okay, in the second format we can also write it like v delta v is equal to negative line integral of E dot dr. It's a from definition of potential difference. So negative line integral of electric field is the potential difference. So we are going to write it like another method. You are using this method to find the potential gradient. Okay. So dv is equal to negative E. E the uniform, so we can write it like R final minus R initial. Okay, vector format. So it's, if the difference is very small, so we can write it like del V is equal to E del R. So it is also a type of potential gradient. Okay, but if we want to find electric field, it's an application, it become an application to find the electric field. E is equal to negative del V by del R. Okay, using this application we can solve the many of question. I have a question for you, and I will explain how to deal with that question, or how to deal with that type of question. So question is, if potential is given by x square plus xy plus z square volt, we have to find, then find force on the 2 coulomb charge at point P, which is at 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, we know if we want to calculate force, then the F is equal to Q E, and we can find from volt, means from potential we can find the electric field. So we know E is equal to del V by del R. So if we want to find Ex is equal to del V by del X. Okay, so del means partial differentiation. So we have to differentiate partially V x square, which is a given like x square xy plus z square. Okay, so negative, we have to put negative del V by del R. Okay, So negative partially, we are going to differentiate partially this one. Okay, this one. So let's start. Then 2x plus y is the differentiation of this. So put the value of x as a 1 and y as a -1. Okay, here -1. 1 into 2 and then y as a -1. So we can find it like -1, and we are going to solve ey same. Then dy is equal to -0 plus x plus 0, because z and x will be considered as a constant when we are going to differentiate partially this one with respect to y. Okay, so the value will be -1, and similarly we can find del z, del v by ez, del v by del z, then minus first one 0 and second one also 0, and then will be find 2 z. So we can put the z as a 1 and we will find -2. Okay, we find ex, ey and ez. So we can write like a e vector is equal to ex I cap plus ey j cap plus ez k cap. So we have e as minus I cap and y as minus j cap, but because ey is the -1, so and ez is equal to -2 k cap. If we are going to solve, if we are going to find the magnitude of electric field, then we have to solve like this: -1 square plus -1 square and then plus -2 square magnitude. It's a method to find the magnitude. Then we will find 2 to the 4 and 1 1, 4 to 6, root 6. Okay, now we can find the force. We have a formula F is equal to QE. Then Q we have 2 and E we have a 6. Then force will be 2 root 6 Newton. It's an application, or we can deal these type of question like this. Okay, so we are find our answer. Okay, thank you.